Taranithui suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki full budget session tha asigi kuntra mathoi dagi Hounaba Ngashi Phamkhiba cabinet Mipham na Warep Loukhre. Cabinet Mipham maduna home education health amadi department kharagi recruitment process ki matang da warep kya su lauki. IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Gilamphel da leiba mahaki quarter da pangthokpa paugi Mipham amada Minister na ngasi ayuk pung tara dagi hauduna nungthil pung ama makhai fawba cabinet Mipham Phamkhi hareduna nauna semkiba district singda village defense force sing rationalize tawragani. BDF sing district amadagi district amada transfer tawbagi ayaba ngasi ki cabinet Mipham maduna Warep Loukhre. Education ki matang da hanagi Manipur Private School Registration and Regulations Act 2017 amend tawraga Manipur Private School Registration and Regulations Rules 2024 ama frame tawnaba cabinet na ayaba PK. Hojik sarang nariba Dhanmanjuri University ki matang dasu Vice Chancellor Registrar na singba regular post launabagi damak DMU Act amend tawnaba cabinet Mipham na ayaba PK. Health sector da anuba Manipur Health Service Dental Rule ama sembada cabinet na ayaba PK. Recruitment process kharagi matang da Dr. Sapam Ranjan Hai Directorate of Economics and Statistics da hana anirak thongna recruitment tawkiba adugi matang da committee ama semlaga yengsindabasu cabinet Mipham na ayaba PK amadi Directorate of Panchayati Raj da extension officer ki post create tawnaba cabinet na ayaba pire. Loinana transport ki matang dasu fancy registration number airport faktok sauthokpa ayuski dispensary sabagi lam allocation ki matang dasu cabinet na Warep Loukhre haina mahangna makhatana phongdokhi.
Assembly session July ki tang kunthraga mathoi 2024 yumza kisan numetsida akoi haunana bagi ayaba ma cabinet na bibiki anoba district sigizda ma akoi ministerial staff amasung village defense force kise district in the ano was the KPI the rationalized down the work up down the cabinet na home department the high grade akoi village defense force hanadi within the district moi posting jale rambase jikti they will be transferable district amada loina transferable oiba yaba sigise nanga se cabinet na decision Loukhre Manipur Private School Registration Regulation Rules 2024 ama frame tawnana baidamakta cabinet na ayaba pigre amendment of Dhanmanjuri University Act magi vice chancellor lobagi vice chancellor si magi tenure kamai orba magi removal kai adugi details ama koi amendment ama tawga sina cabinet ayaba pigre separate Manipur Health Service Dental Rules exemption from consultation or concurrence with MPSC until giwina rules anubama asiki cabinet sina ayaba adom sige sima pigre Directorate of Economic and Statistics sida anirak thokna recruitment khara tawgibadu cabinet na committee ama semaga irregularities khara mogi departmental aduna yengbiraga in case if there is irregularity ramagadi adugidu scrap tawnana baidamakta adu so kai cabinet na ayaba adum pigre Director of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj the 42 number post of extension officers Panchayat Directorate sida post create tawnana baidamakta adu ngasigizna ayaba so pigre Senior Research Officer ne duga Research Assistant one post library on records and library section of GADG. Sigisi contractual basis for a minimum of 5 years. Loan na baidamakta sizo ayaba bigre cabinet.